Good afternoon. This is Brian here with the Pulaski County Public Library Teen Department. Today we're going to talk about building a planter out of one single picket. So these pickets can be found at Lowe's or Home Depot, Menards, your closest big box Home Depot type store. And they only run about $3 or $4 a piece, so they're really not bad. And what we were able to do is create a planter by cutting the picket down into individual pieces. So what we're going to need is 3 pieces that are cut at about 20 inches long, and then you'll end up with 2 pieces that will be your end caps that were just 4 and 7/16 inches long. And the reason for the weird sizing is because I used just the width of the board for the bottom and the sides. I just stacked on top. You'll end up with a piece that's just about this big left of your picket, and this is for a nominal sized 1x6 picket. So it's 6 foot tall, and this is going to be all that you got left. All we had to do was take our side pieces and you stand those on here, and you're going to use 1 1/4 inch screws to go through the bottom and a minimum of 4 places. I like to do the corners. Some people move them in a little bit so that you're not quite right on the edge. Sorry about that. But I do right on the corners, and then you'll take your side pieces and put them in here and shoot your screws in through the sides of these boards to secure your end pieces. Now that is really all there is to it. It's a very simple project. The only thing you could do that maybe might make it a little bit better is if you're planning on using or planting something in the planter that requires a whole lot of water, you can drill holes through the center in order to have drainage. That way you don't end up with your plants getting too wet. And that's all there is to it. We hope you enjoy, and we'll see you next time.